Good day to all employers in Hong Kong. I'm Melody Balino Conde from Philippines, married, 42 years old, with 4 children with the age of 10, 15, 21, and 22 years old. My height is 160 centimeter and my weight is 52 kilogram. My hobbies is taking care of children, teaching them, cooking, washing, cleaning, ironing, playing, and singing. My educational attainment is college level with the Bachelor of Elementary Education. I have experience before here, 2 years in Philippines as domestic helper. I serve 4 members of their family, 2 children and 1 couple with the age of 10 years old and 5 months old. My duties are taking care of the children, serving them a food, cooking, cleaning, washing, and ironing. I have also experienced 2 years in Qatar on June 2017 until July 2019. I served 4 members of their family, 1 mother and 3 children with the age of 22, 18, and 16 years old. I have also experienced 2 years in Kuwait and I served 7 members of their family, 1 couple and 5 children with the age of 9, 8, 7, 1, and 2 months old. My duties are all around household chores, cooking, cleaning, washing, ironing, also taking care of children, give them a food, give them a vitamin, and also I teach them. Before I end my introduction, I want to give a song to my future employer. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Thank you, and I hope you like it. I want to come in Hong Kong because I want to earn money for the future of my children. And also, I want to support their family and to earn to the future of my family. To my future employer, ma'am, sir, please hire me as soon as possible because I'm trustworthy, obedient, hardworking, and industrious. I hope you hire me as soon as possible. I'll do my best to do good my duties and responsibilities, and I'll promise I'll finish my contract. Thank you and have a good day. God bless. Bye-bye.